Well, I am hoping for something other than a cottonmouth, but I suspect this is a cottonmouth. Right near the old deer stand. Let's see if we can get in here and get a look without getting on one. He's up in the tree there. Let's see, we'll zoom in and give you a look before I spook him. Can't really get a look at him. All right, he may move pretty fast. That might be a water snake. I might be lucky here. See if we can get in here. Can't quite tell, but I have seen a lot of cottonmouths in here. That might be an old water snake. He's gonna move on. Here he goes. Like I said, I can't tell. He's thick-bodied though, which could make him a cottonmouth. I'd really like to get a look at him without getting on another one. But he's just gonna be stubborn. Had hoped he might come down out of there. Give me a better look. See if we can get a look in here. If he's still there. There he is. All right. There's a good look at him. And again, I cannot tell. Given he's up a good 3 or 4 feet. Yeah. I don't see a distinctive line usually on that head. I welcome any opinions. Hey, buddy.